I'm going to try to grow some sprouts from seed for my birds. I'm going to use their seed mix. I'll take a spoonful. I don't need much. Just going to try it and hopefully they will eat it. So this is enough. What we need to do is rinse it really well. Be sure to wash the seed really well, get rid of all the dust in it. We'll strain it. I'm going to add another spoonful. Doesn't seem like very much in there. I'll wash this one thoroughly. And then just add it. Now you want to keep it soaked for about, I would say 4 to 6 hours. And then you would strain it. But I want to wash off all the dust. So the seeds have been soaking for most of the day. It's been over 6 hours. What we're going to do is just clean them really well and drain them. I'm using the strainer for it. Just be sure to wash them thoroughly. You want to make sure there's no junk or bacteria in them. That's good for now. We'll let them drain in a little bowl. So we're going to keep them over the bowl. Let them drain. You want to keep them moist but not soaking wet. And in the morning we'll wash them again. So they've been sitting overnight. They're still wet, so we want to make sure they're nice and clean. Get rid of any bacteria that could be sitting on it. So clean it really well. I'm just using cold water. You got to keep them moist so they germinate, but not soaked. Because if they're too wet, then you're going to get bacteria in them. So leave them like that for till tonight. So I've been washing it every morning and every evening. Keep them moist. You don't want them sitting in the water, otherwise you're going to get a lot of bacteria. And you want to be sure it's nice and healthy for your birds. So it's been a couple of days. Some of them are starting to sprout. I think maybe a couple more days and we might be able to feed them. So this is day 4, I believe. You can see the sprouts starting to grow from the seed. We're going to continue to wash them thoroughly and drain them, and in a couple of days hopefully we can feed them to our birds. So we have sprouted. We can feed the birds some of this today. It is very nutritious, a lot of health benefits for your birds. It's better than just regular seed. You get a lot of vitamins from it. And I'm going to continue to wash the rest of it for another day, and then I will refrigerate it, and you can keep it in the fridge for a couple of days.